Do you wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? Or maybe your energy, mood, and focus aren't what they used to be, even though your labs look normal? Here's the truth. If your hormones are off, everything in your body feels off too. Hi, I'm Dr. Myra Reed, a functional internal medicine specialist with over 30 years of experience. In today's Pillars of Longevity series, we're diving into the master conductors of your body, your hormones. First one is thyroid hormone, your body's thermostat controlling metabolism, energy, and temperature. Next is cortisol, your stress hormone. When it's high or for too long, it breaks your body down and even steals away from your sex hormones. We call this cortisol steal. This makes it very hard to balance your hormones, especially your sex hormones. What are the sex hormones? Well, the first one we're going to talk about is testosterone and DHEA. These are the ones that build muscle, protect your bone density, support your brain power, and keep your libido alive. Next are estrogen and progesterone. These are your heart, mood, bones, and brain hormones. The problem, as we age, hormones naturally decline. For women, that's called perimenopause and menopause. For men, it's andropause. And when hormones dip, so does your energy, your mood, your muscle mass, and even your brain sharpness. The good news is we now have safe bioidentical hormone therapies. The bioidentical means that they are biologically identical to our body's natural hormones, which are declining with age. Bioidentical hormones are very different from risky synthetic versions used decades ago that caused so many issues, but today's hormones are much safer and healthier. These bioidentical hormones can restore energy, protect bone and heart, improve sleep, mood, cognitive function, plus promote longevity and vitality. But replacement isn't the only answer. Do an advanced testing, not just the basic tests that they do today. We look at comprehensive hormone panels, including their metabolites, which is so important on how you process or metabolize your hormones. Looking at your cortisol, which is your stress hormone, these levels throughout the day and night are so important to determine. Performing an extensive thyroid panel, plus optimizing these levels, not just doing the normal ranges, measuring inflammatory and insulin-resistant markers, as well as your homocysteine for methylation, which is how your body processes things. Checking nutrients like vitamin D, B12, folate, magnesium, omega-3s, to name a few. But here's the real picture of your health along with your symptoms. It's not just looking at symptoms, it's your labs. But beyond testing, what we really want to do is look at your lifestyle therapy, what you're doing in your lifestyle. This makes a huge impact in the difference in your longevity and also helps so much with your hormone balance. But what are the lifestyle factors? Well, first, prioritizing your sleep, getting that quality of 7 to 9 hours. We can use tools like an Oura Ring to track your sleep and see if you're getting that good restorative deep sleep, or maybe doing an easy to perform at-home sleep study. This is also some of the things that we like to do is really to start helping with stress management. Like things like meditation, walking out in nature, doing yoga, doing a gratitude journal, keeping it by your bed at night so you can write down your thoughts first thing in the morning or before going to bed at night so you can get things off your mind and sleep better. Another important thing is strength training, at least 3 times a week, but I prefer to do 5 days a week. Plus, you need to get 45 minutes of cardio in daily, which this can be from elliptical, walking, biking, pickleball, getting on a treadmill, or do whatever you enjoy that gets your heart rate up and pumping. Because exercise is one of the most important things that determines your longevity and your vitality and your overall health. We know that when your hormones are balanced, then everything in your body heals faster, your mind is sharper, and your energy comes back better. This is how we add life to our years, not just years to our life. And in the next video of this longevity series, I'll uncover the hidden toxins silently disrupting your hormones every single day and how you can safely detox to protect for longevity. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notifications of more upcoming really good information, and follow along so you won't want to miss any of these important nuggets of information.